looking pretty.
CIA has used dogs before in the past for spying. Cats, one of the famous cats were Goose the Kitty. You know, it goes back to ancient times.
Very cute.
My personal mission in doing this is to get them in permanent homes, but also to get the word out of nonprofits like the Human Rescue Alliance.
All of these dogs and cats that we have here today are up for adoption, and we do these events every week, all the time, and bring a new batch of dogs and cats, and with the hope that they'll either get adopted here on the spot or
adopted to be spy dogs.
of course, secret mission to be a secret spy agent dog, or you can always adopt in the shelter as well.